Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TradingView account. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the app and click on the menu at the bottom right. 2. Then click on the J icon at the top right corner. 3. Scroll down and you'll see the option to delete account. Click on it. 4. Read the warning. Your personal data will be deleted after 30 days. You can still recover your account within that period. After 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. 5. Click Yes, delete my account. 6. Before you can delete your account, you'll need to set your password. They'll send you an email to reset your password, so check your inbox and click on Reset Password. 7. Create a new password for your account. 8. Once you've done that, you'll be able to go back to the app. 9. Click on the J icon again, then delete account. 10. Confirm by entering your new password and click Continue. That's it. Your account will now be deleted. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe.